Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Amen. Tesla closed down $7.70. That's 0.84%. Closed at 911.99. Strange number. Post market, we're down by 74 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we caved in to 943.84, suggesting to us that maybe we are in a congestion zone. But at the same time, so I'm going to repeat what I said yesterday, we are in two patterns at the same time. So this happens all the time. In fact, we have a bullish channel that we are still in. And I did a second support. We have two support right here. So sometimes the support is a little bit tighter like this here. And sometimes it's looser, but both supports make the stock go up. So these are valid supports. So this is the bullish channel right here. And we are still in this congestion zone also at the same time. So we are still playing in this square until we come out of it. I won't be able to see any interesting things. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a little bit more detail as to how the day went. So we dropped down during the day and look at how we maintain ourselves above, very close to this support, and very close, and started to come back up. Broke this very short-term downward resistance, but then came back below it very quickly. And we are now hovering on this support here. Let me give you at 912.37. At 12.37, I had that somewhere. The only thing that bugs me a little bit is that we lost stochastic today. So this move up and this break of resistance was not to be trusted because stochastic did not go over 60, and look at what happened. Boom, boom, it came back down. Because we don't have stochastic on the 1 hour chart, there was a possibility that we come back down a little bit further. Just be careful about that. Coming back on the daily chart, let's go look at our indicators. I'm still quite strong. MACD still good, RSI is still good, and DMI still good. Nothing else to say. We are in a consolidation phase a little bit. Let's hope we can maintain our move in the channel, but right now we are consolidating a little bit. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.